Here's a solution for day 4, problem 1. Person is 6 feet 3 inches tall and has a 24-foot shadow. At the same time, a nearby tree casts a 40-foot shadow. Sketch a diagram. So here we have the ground and the person and a nearby tree. Sun's up here, and when the sun ray comes by the person here, that creates a right triangle located at the person. A parallel sun ray comes down, clips the tree, and it creates a similar right triangle located at the tree. And now let's label our distances. So the person is 6 feet 3 inches tall, so 6 feet 3 inches. And there's a 24-foot shadow right there. Same time, a nearby tree has a 40-foot shadow, so 40 feet along the bottom of this right triangle, and then we don't know how tall it is. How about x? So there is our diagram. Similar triangles, right triangles, and everything's labeled. Now part B, create a proportion. So the height of the person is 6 foot 3 inches, but so that we have all the units the same, let's rewrite 6 foot 3 inches just in terms of feet. So that can be written as 6 and 3/12 feet. Compare that to the shadow of the person. Similarly, let's take the height of the tree, x, and compare it to the shadow of the tree, 40. Here is our proportion. Okay, we can solve this proportion by isolating x. If this says x divide by 40, we can multiply by 40 to get the x alone. And same over here, let's times this by 40. Take a calculator and type in this expression, and that'll get us our answer for x. And the answer is 10.4 feet. Now day 4, problem 2, question A. Negative times negative is positive, 2 times 45 is 90. Question B. Negative divided by negative is positive, 56 divided by 7 is 8. Okay, question C, to subtract these fractions, we need a common denominator. If that's 4 and that's 6, we could use 12 as our common denominator. We could use 24 as our common denominator. There are some choices. I'm going to rewrite these fractions so that they both use 12 as their denominator. So to convert this one to have 12, we need to times by 3. So 1/4 can be rewritten as 3/12. To change this into a 12, we need to times by 2. And so 1/6 can be rewritten as 2/12. And now we can subtract. This is 1/12. Question D. One way to divide fractions is to multiply by the reciprocal of that second fraction. So 7/24 times 8/2. We can do a little bit of reducing here to make this easier. 8 divided by 2 reduces to 4, or 4/1. Even some more. 4 and 24 reduce. 4 divides by 4, leaving 1, and 24 divides by 4, leaving 6. So on top, 7 times 1 is 7, and on the bottom, 6 times 1 is 6. The answer is 7/6.